So great. Oh, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a little Terraria tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna try a couple things like.
Or getting the underworld and dying.
What, Shane? My friends are here. So, no! Wait. I could...
Is it in the white?
Where? Oh, yeah.
So I'm coming.
King Shane.
How much? We say we only have one more king slime.
Made my last one.
Hope you enjoy the video.
Probably right next to a guide. Oh yeah, your guide died.
Huh! I got a sword! Oh, that's a good
I'm not
job.
gonna put the airplanes packet away because I'm still do that.
Legendary Terrablade.
Can I just put it in the basket?
Are you still recording?
Yes. Lelelel, chicky. Okay, give me a sec. I'm recording something. What? Oh.
Haven't we give permission to summon in a boss?
Because I'm on a server.
Why didn't you guys make puppets?
Puppets? Puppets.
Well, I don't know how to.
But still, just use
I
it.
don't know how to.
You make it
I'm doing this for all sake of the video.
All over.
All sake of the video.
I put glue. So
Even if I
Sake of the video.
What is this still for?
Freaking sake of the video, man. Do you have a pet fishy? Pet fishy. Wait, what? As. Mechanical eye.
wow, it makes it
I.
You can make like that pizza cutter.
Oh. Pizza, pizza.
Pizza.
So do you know how they got this over without you leaving?
Where's the monkey?
No.
This is how you do it. The silver leaves.
Where's the monkey?
I will kill you.
Dead.
Probably that way. Try this way. Huh?
See how many I can kill before I die.
That's pit wings.
What do you mean?
That's pit's wings.
No, they're just normal angel wings.
Pit's.
No, shut up! Ah!
I think they're pits.
No, they're just normal angel wings. For sake of the video, my video.
Pit's wings.
Ah!
To me, my opinion,
You know I can do that?
in my opinion, they're pit's wings.
You know how to stop recording?
Yeah.
How?
Push F9.
You have 4 letters. Tile!
I'm gonna have to make a box.
Let's see how much trees you can defeat. That way. You're going the wrong way.
Doesn't matter.
What if he just shows you to a house? That guy has a helmet. Oh. Hey guys, I got a balloon without my hand. No, I lost the balloon without my hand.
Yeah!
Now, for the end. The final slime. Be there in a second.
Yeah! We need to get...
Lag. Sorry about all the lag. Okay. Guys, hope you enjoyed. Like it or dislike it.
The dog with the copper helmet.
Okay. See you guys.
Hey!